Hey my friends, welcome back to another video. This one is going to be a little bit something different, but first, let me introduce myself. My name is Ashley. What's up? If you're new, hey, but if you've been here before, you know I have a special place for y'all right here. Go ahead and follow me on my social at ashley.d.bonnie for live updates of what's going on in my life and, you know, just to show you girl a little bit more support. Okay, what I am doing, I am starting an organization series over the next few weeks, and I'm going to start right here in my laundry room redoing this space because she needs some love too. But if you want to stay tuned for those videos, go ahead and hit that notification bell and follow along so you'll be alerted when those other videos come out. They are pre-recorded, guys. Quote me on it. You will see the next one in a few days. Let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a fresh space. I'm clearing everything that I can out of the laundry room. Yes, I need to do laundry, but I will get to that after I conclude the video. I really just wanted to do my laundry in a nice, fresh space. I'm just going to carry right along with continuously cleaning. I am cleaning down pretty much every major surface and organizing all of the things that are all over the place. So I am going to keep the baskets where they are, but it'll just be them up there. This basket is going to stay as is. This is all of my cleaning supplies that I use on hand. I am going to take some things out of these and put them in the garage or get rid of them because some of this stuff I do not use at all. So this, like I said, is as is. This drawer is this one is the one that I know for a fact that I can get rid of some of this stuff. But this can go in that one. So in here, I have carpet cleaner. This is some more carpet cleaner. Like, I got way too many carpet cleaners, but that is something that I plan on keeping because obviously I use it. What I don't have anymore is wooden floors. So I'm going to put this in the bin. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to dispose of this yet, but I am going to put it in the garage so at least it's not taking up the real estate in here. I don't use this. I really didn't like this, to be honest with you. More wood floor cleaner. This is some adhesive spray. This is not even for laundry room. This is actually more wood floor cleaner. Yeah, so I just freed up all this extra space in this basket. My essential oils is still back here. And some Mrs. Meyer's, additional Mrs. Meyer's baking soda. So I'll keep that in there. So we have kind of carpet cleaning in here, dishes. I wish the Mrs. basket, I really need to figure out how to clean these. Like, this is clean, but it's, you know, it's ugly. But anyways, this is the newer one and it's like the same on it. But these are washed and cleaned. I can put this head actually back on my mop because I use this one. Hubby likes the steam mop still. And then my vacuum parts. And I'm going to put that over here. I'm going to keep my vacuum parts in this basket. This basket houses all of our Swiffer things. This actually goes in my bedroom because I use that Swiffer in my bathroom. Yeah, so I think that looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and put these guys back up top. So I'm doing a own little homemade remedy for cleaning your washer. You're going to add 4 cups of white vinegar to your washer. You're going to use the highest load, hottest water on your washing machine. I do have an option as a tube cleaner on here, but I'm not going to be using it today. I want to make sure that my fabric softener portion of my washer gets touched. I also added a little bit of baking soda once the water ran fully. Another great tip is to let that solution sit in your washing machine for about an hour, just to let that bottom soak and rest down in the bottom of your drum. While I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and clean the rest of my laundry room, starting with the top of the washing machine. And I'm just using some regular old multi-purpose cleaner to clean this up. Now, this part was so caked on. This is that fabric softener cup that I was telling you guys about. I'm using a toothpick, a napkin, and that toothbrush to get all that gunky fabric softener. Now, this looks gross, but it smells so good cleaning it. I ain't gonna lie, I enjoyed cleaning this portion. It was satisfying and it smelled so good. This was also a very neglected area of my washing machine. This is right under the hood. It was gross. It also was a very awkward angle, so yeah, I'm just going to fast forward. But yeah, this thing was ugly and dirty. Following through with more washing machine hacks, I am using regular old glass cleaner to clean off the inside and the outside of my washing machine top. I love this glass top, but it does get a little bit of calcium deposit on it from time to time. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and clean that with my perfect glass cleaner. Also, something that technically gets looked over, go ahead and clean off that back panel. This doesn't really get dirty, but it definitely gets dusty. There's not a whole lot I'm going to be doing with my dryer, but I am going to clean up the dust trap. This thing needed to be dumped. Obviously, no one has done this in a while. I blame myself for that. And this is the same as the washing machine. I'm going to clean off that back panel as well as the top surface with regular old multi-purpose cleaner. I've had this mop, broom, whatever caddy on my wall for quite some time. I purchased mine from Lowe's a while back, but I've seen these at TJ Maxx and Marshalls so many times before. I wanted to remove all of them so that I can vacuum and quickly mop this area. I am putting them right back over in this corner, but like I said, I just wanted to make sure all the dirt and debris was off the floor before I continued. We are nearing the end of the cleaning portion of this segment. I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the floor, and I'm going to pay special attention to my baseboard. My baseboards in this room collect so much dust, and I'm just going to make sure I catch all of that with these attachments on my Dyson. I love my Dyson. She works for everything. So I'm following right behind that with my old cedar quick mop. I love this quick mop. I will use her almost every day, but I have her filled with pine sol, so you guys already know the fragrances in this area right now are lit. It's finally time to depot the laundry supplies. I'm going to be putting my dryer sheets in this tissue organizer. I got this off Amazon and the link will be provided below. My Tide will go into this liquid dispenser. I found this at Walmart for $5.97. These came from Ikea. I'm going to put my fabric softener liquid. I'm going to put the fabric beads in here. And that came from Hobby Lobby, as well as the Clorox that will also go in the Ikea bottle, and my spot removal that will go into this glass bottle I picked up from Target. I also found another one that I will link below on Amazon. It's finally time to start decorating. I got these signs from Hobby Lobby. They were half off this week, making them $8 each. I love them so much. This is a rental property, so these were a perfect addition to the space. Next, I'm adding these little greeneries. I've had these forever, but they originally were purchased from TJ Maxx. If y'all remember my haul from a few weeks ago, this guy was picked up for $19.99 from Marshall's. She was also featured in my Easter video published earlier this week. My goal here was to put all the items on the tray. I put things that I use on the norm closer to the front, things that I don't typically grab for in the back. To minimize items on my dryer, I actually decided to hoist my dryer sheet container to the wall. This laundry separator is so convenient. Towels are the first things that needs to be washed in our home. We put our white towels as well as our colored towels right in here, and it was $49.99 from HomeGoods. I just want you guys to know I am keeping this to fill her up, but she will live right there. She'll get washed with the wash, so that's the deal. Let's see it put all together. Alright guys, this is going to be it for the day. Don't forget, this is just one of many of the organization series to come. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time guys. Peace.